I bought it from Drake on Instagram, and
Slave to a page in my rhyme book.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we're here with RD, and he is the owner of this beautiful LaFerrari, and he said that he was gonna give us a car tour. So RD, this car is super dope. Like, how rare is it? How much does it cost?
it costs a lot.
A lot. Okay, it sounds like that Savage song.
No, they cost a lot. There's 499 cars made total for the world. About 100 cars made it to the US, and only a few examples made it over in this color. So it's over 1,000, right around 1,000 horsepower, 963 horsepower, gas and electric combined hybrid.
No way. Yeah. Oh, that's really cool. I mean, what made you choose this car?
You know, I bought it on Instagram, believe it or not.
No way.
Yeah, I bought it from Drake on Instagram, and
that just made it like extra cool. It's like Drake's car.
Yeah, so if you saw Drake's last tour, inside the tour they had the LaFerrari floating around the arena. This was the car. This wasn't the actual car floating, but this was the model of the car that was floating around. So this car's actually been on Jimmy Kimmel.
Wow. So the car is famous.
The car is pretty famous, yeah.
More famous than you?
Yeah, way more famous
This guy just showed me his Instagram. 165,000 followers today. Congrats, that's huge.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I know. It's just like when you hit those like solid numbers on Instagram, you're like, yeah.
It's a lot of work. It's a full-time job, but it's a lot of fun too.
What do you do for work?
A little bit of everything, but cars is my passion.
Okay.
And, you know, that's my primary focus. So I do a lot of stuff in aviation and automotive in that space.
Do you buy and sell, or?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Everything's for sale. This is for sale for 3.5. If you have any buyers, let me know.
There we go, 3.5 million. We're looking for a buyer for this car. And okay, so tell me a little bit about this car.
Well, I can tell you we can pair it with one of your beautiful homes, and we can include the car if the price is right.
There we go. I think we have a deal right now. All right, so what makes this car so, I mean, 3.5 million is a lot for a car. You can buy like a starter home in Beverly Hills.
You don't get much for 3.5 in Beverly Hills, but you can't get a LaFerrari. You know, the thing about this car is they're just very hard to get. You have to buy a certain amount of cars to get an allocation from Ferrari.
Okay, so like if I walked into the dealership and I had $3.5 million in the bank, they wouldn't sell me the car.
They would sell it to you as a second owner, but as a first owner, you have to have a certain purchase history with Ferrari in order to get the allocation, which I'm not there yet, but I'm working on it.
Okay, so we're gonna work on that. And I mean, is there like, I know these cars like usually don't have an amazing like sound system and like technology in terms of like.
No, this car has all the technology. It has a track telemetry package where it actually has built-in cameras inside the cockpit, so you can put in a memory card and drive around the track. It pulls up every track in the world, and it will give you your driving and how the car's doing, your lap times, the tire temperature. It actually has a ton of technology.
Do you mind starting the car for us?
I'm not gonna do all that, but I can get somebody to do it for you.
Okay, that's fine. Who do you trust?
Joey, can you start the car for them? Absolutely.
Okay.
I should have recorded it, damn.
Artie, thank you so much for giving us your car tour. And how can they look at more pictures of all your cars?
Wires only.
Okay. Is that your Instagram?
If you want to buy a house or buy a car, you got to send a wire.
Oh, wire, bank wire. Okay, I'm sorry. What's your Instagram?
Wires only.
Oh, your Instagram is wires only. Okay, got it. Thank you so
Okay,
much. So here we have Josh. He is the owner of Fat Sal's. Have you guys been to Fat Sal's? They sell the most amazing sandwiches. It's like a place where everyone goes to eat in the middle of the night after the nightclubs. It's really good food. So thank you so much. So what kind of car do you have out here?
This is a Ferrari 488, and it's a little customized by a company called RDB in Los Angeles, and yeah, it's just a fun thing, and it's fun to come out and do this kind of stuff and go back to work.
Well, this car is really beautiful, and I know you have like a Range Rover or something in a different color.
Range Rover, I got rid of. I got a couple other things.
Oh, are they all, because all your cars are wrapped, right?
I have a 71 Blazer that's painted orange, so it's not like
Why
wrapped.
orange?
It's just a GM color, classic color. It's just awesome. That's awesome.
I see. So tell me, what's so special about this car? Why did you pick this car?
I'm a big Ferrari fan. I had a 458 before the 488. I love cars. I love Ferrari. I love to have fun with it and enjoy. It's California. It's car culture. So yeah, thank you.
Josh, thank you so much for showing us your beautiful car. So if my followers want to look at more of your cars, where can they find you?
Joshua S, the letter S Stone.
All right, Joshua S. Stone, and you guys, please support his business. Go eat at Fat Sal's. It's super delicious. He needs more supercars. Alright guys, so we're here with Vik, and he has all the supercars. He is the owner of this beautiful Bugatti. So could you tell us a little bit about the car?
Well, this car is wrapped pink and blue chrome. It's been wrapped a few times, but really this was wrapped for a cause, for a brand. We're about to rewrap it another color, but this is a Bugatti Veyron. It's a beautiful car.
Could you tell us a little bit about the car? Like, how rare is it? How many?
I mean, this is over $1 million. It's got 4 turbos, over 1,000 horsepower. It's the Veyron, so really crazy car, very expensive. They only made a few, so yeah.
And what do you do, Vik? Because I asked all the owners of the supercars, who should we interview, and everyone pointed at Vik. What do you do, Vik?
I run a shop called RDB.
Okay.
So all we do is modify, fix up all these cars. Like Josh's Ferrari, we wrapped it, we did all the modifications. All the work on this Bugatti, we did it. So yeah, I run a custom shop on Sunset Boulevard.
Okay, so if my followers wanted to get a hold of you, how do they get a hold of you?
RDB LA is our Instagram.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hey guys, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching our YouTube channel. So we're trying to cover a lot of luxury things, and we did supercars. I can't believe that the first guy we spoke to was the owner of the LaFerrari. Then the third person we spoke to was the owner of the Bugatti, and those were the most expensive cars here. And thank you, Josh, for letting us film your beautiful Ferrari 488. Today was a great day, but you guys, it's starting to rain, so I think that's a wrap. Bye.